In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Gusto to Xero. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant looking to streamline your payroll and accounting processes, integrating Gusto with Xero can save you time and effort. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to gusto.com. Gusto is a popular platform known for its user-friendly payroll and HR services, and by connecting it to Xero, you can seamlessly integrate your payroll data with your accounting records. Once you're on the Gusto website, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, simply enter your credentials and sign in. After you've logged into Gusto, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the app directory. Clicking on this will open up a world of integrations available to you. The app directory is essentially a hub where you can find various apps and services that can be linked to your Gusto account to enhance its functionality. Now that you're in the app directory, the next step is to search for Xero. You can do this by typing Xero into the search bar. Xero is a powerful accounting software that helps you manage your business finances with ease, and integrating it with Gusto ensures that your payroll data is accurately reflected in your financial statements. Once you've entered Xero into the search bar, hit enter, and you should see Xero appear in the search results. When you see Xero in the list, click on it, and then you'll need to select the Learn More option. This step is crucial because it provides you with additional information about the integration, including how it works and what you can expect once the connection is established. By exploring the Learn More section, you can gain a better understanding of how this integration will benefit your business operations. After you've reviewed the information and you're ready to proceed, the final step is to click on the Connect button. This will initiate the integration process between Gusto and Xero. You may be prompted to authorize the connection by logging into your Xero account and granting Gusto access. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete this authorization. Once authorized, Gusto and Xero will be linked, allowing you to transfer payroll data effortlessly between the two platforms. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Gusto to Xero. With this integration, your payroll information will automatically sync with your accounting data, helping you maintain accurate financial records and simplifying your workflow. Remember, having these systems connected not only saves you time, but also reduces the risk of errors that can occur with manual entry. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful guides and tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to Gusto's or Xero's support teams. Have a great day and happy accounting.